Welcome to Chapter 10 of our e-commerce 2026 program. Today, we explore AI-powered and agentic commerce, shifting from AI that simply assists to AI that can actually execute transactions. Consider this opening story. At 2:07 a.m., a laptop was purchased without a single human having to open a store. The entire journey, from search and comparison to payment and delivery, was executed by software authorized to spend. This single request spanned an entire customer journey. The strategic twist here is that merchants must now learn to persuade both the human buyer and the machine agent acting on that human's behalf. This brings us to the central question for this video. As machines increasingly suggest, decide, and spend, which essential responsibilities must humans keep for themselves? In this video, we will learn how to diagnose, design, measure, and defend our AI strategies, moving through concepts of digital application, data-driven decision-making, and responsible AI. It is important to remember that AI enters a market that is already scaled. With billions in market size and rapid growth, AI serves as a new layer on top of existing infrastructure, not a system built from zero. As we move from traditional e-commerce to agentic commerce, autonomy rises and the human role shifts further upstream. Our management focus must evolve towards setting objectives, constraints, policies, and clear KPIs. Remember that Level 4 autonomy is an option, not necessarily a destination. Always choose your level of autonomy based on value, risk, and data readiness, never just because it is a trend. Be precise with your terminology. Do not label four fundamentally different systems simply as AI. We have predictive, recommender, generative, and agentic AI, each with distinct outputs and unique failure modes. AI touches 7 distinct links in the value chain, but each requires a different KPI. Notably, SME sellers often control the content and service, but not necessarily the platform's internal search data. When triaging use cases, focus on repeated, reversible decisions. If the frequency is low, the feedback loop is slow, or an error would be costly, AI should be used to support humans, not replace them. This matrix helps us decide autonomy. High-value, low-risk areas allow for prioritized automation. High-risk areas, regardless of value, demand strong governance and human oversight. We have identified 8 core use cases. Regardless of which you choose, always follow the business-first discipline. Identify the problem, source the data, verify the AI output, and confirm your final decision against your KPIs. For market research, treat AI as an analyst, not as absolute evidence. Always maintain a verification process, as demonstrated in this review minor exercise, where students check AI classifications for accuracy. Finally, when using generative AI for content, the bottleneck shifts from writing to verification. Use this risk ladder to determine where human intervention is required, such as checking specifications or approving content before it goes live. Let's look at recommendation engines. These systems allocate customer attention. They decide which products a customer sees and when, balancing business goals like conversion rates with essential guardrails like product novelty and return management. Even a good recommendation model can become useless due to 3 common ailments: the cold start problem, the rich get richer bias, and models that are accurate but not incremental. Always maintain unbiased exploration to prevent these traps. When it comes to personalization, more is not always better. You should prioritize utility over persuasion and know when to stop. If a system becomes overly sensitive, hard to explain, or too costly, scale back your personalization level. Chatbot risk is highest near the point of purchase. As we move from simple FAQs to agentic transactions, the margin for error shrinks. Remember, if a bot provides a confident but incorrect refund answer, that is a management failure, not a technical one. Virtual assistants fail at their weakest layer. Implement strict handover protocols immediately when you encounter high-risk topics, low model confidence, or signs of negative emotion. A customer asking for a human must always be connected to one. In demand forecasting, remember that an AI prediction is just an input. It is not the final order. Humans must still layer in context, like capacity, cash flow, and supplier lead times. Prediction is never the same as a decision. Forecast errors are asymmetric. Under-forecasting means lost potential profit, while over-forecasting leads to clearance costs and storage bloat. Your product category dictates which type of error is more dangerous for your business. Dynamic pricing isn't just about variables. It is a moral signal to your customers. Implement mandatory safeguards, such as price ceilings, limits on frequency, and clear logs that explain the why behind every price change to maintain trust. Data quality is a vital operating metric. Whether it is being complete, accurate, or timely, every missing or malformed attribute makes a product invisible to both your recommendation engine and your AI agents. Finally, product pages now serve two distinct audiences: humans and AI agents. While humans seek brand meaning and social proof, agents require structured attributes and verified evidence. Build your foundation to satisfy both.